for Better Money Boston. I'm here with David Shapiro. He is Regional Director of Wealth and Financial Advisor at Johnson Brunetti. You know, I want to talk about Social Security because this decision is big and there are a lot of factors that go into this, right?
Very common question. And when it comes to Social Security, what we find is there's many different options, but probably only one that's right for you. And it's one of the few decisions you're going to make when it comes to your investments that it's permanent. You don't have a lot of flexibility once you make the decision.
David, is this an individual decision or is the same approach right for everyone?
There's no cookie cutter solution. You can probably find 50 people that tell you to start early and 50 people that start late. But like anything when it comes to financial planning, you need a customized plan based on your specific financial situation.
What about timing? This is a big one.
Most folks can start as early as 62. Their full retirement age is between 66 and 7. And you can wait all the way to age 70. And certainly the longer you wait, the greater amount you receive. But whether or not that's the right decision really has a lot of other components based on your specific situation. Do you have other sources of income? Do you need the money now, and your tax situation?
Oh, that's a good point. Taxes, of course, and getting the right guidance around all of this is so important. I want to talk about that tax component. How can Social Security impact our taxes in retirement?
What's interesting with Social Security is depending on your overall tax situation, other sources of income, 0, 50, or up to 85% of your Social Security could be subject to taxes, and that could have other implications as far as the income you're receiving and other components of your life.
Okay, so it is a myth that your Social Security won't be taxed. Wow, it could really be taxed. So it's important to get this information, and you're going to help us out here. You've brought a free book with you.
For anyone that's going to be getting Social Security, which is everyone, you should get the Understanding Your Social Security Guide for 2025. It's going to go through just the basics, but also help you make that really right, informed decision that's going to be best for you and your family.
That's right. You heard David say it is an individual decision. No cookie cutter approaches here when it comes to Social Security. So start out, get the information by taking advantage of David's free book. You can get that today. Simply go to bettermoneyboston.com if you'd like to receive that. Again, it's bettermoneyboston.com to get that free book on Social Security. David, as always, we thank you for your time. We'll see you next week for Better Money Boston.